Joyce, and Shania, Leah, Nicole, Joyce, and Marian, and Lindsay, the team bride. Palakpakan po.
Wala pang matalo ah! Sige, go!
I guess that's not it. Yun na ba yun? O meron pang gagawin na... Meron! Okay, sige po.
Meron pa
Position,
yan!
ladies. And check this out. The team bride.
Ay, huwag ka papataloan!
Alright, there you have it. Yun na ba yun? Napiti naman kami. Okay. Palakpakan po natin ang team bride, ladies and gentlemen. Good job, ladies. Thank you so much. Okay, and moving on to the next group, ladies and gentlemen, is time. Mga boys naman ang magpapasika. The team group. So here they are. Louis Allen, John Vincent, Julia Cesar, Emmanuel, Shane Ivan, Rusty, Jason, Prince, and Mark Vincent. Give it a 4. The team group.
Baka pinata pa yan! Give it up for the team group. Ayos po masarap. Good job, good job. And the final group, ladies and gentlemen. Kahusap naman to. Alright, here are the kids. Ano naman to? The kids section. Okay. Here is where are their names? JD, Safir, ang hirap na pangalan nila. Sinia, Aisha, Jazz, Trixie, and Precious. The kids' intermission number for you guys. Palakpakan po natin. Dance, dance, dance! Dance! Uy! Sayaw! Siguro kasi nag-up,
stop daw ang kanilang music sa baba. Okay. O, sige, habang hinihintay natin yung music, kailangan pakita kayo sa video at sa picture. Kasi nagkakita kayo, ha? Okay. Ikaw po, dito. Yan. Kuya, dyan ka si Lina, ha? At dito ka po sa gilid. Alright. Are we good with the music now? Okay, once again, a big hand